Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss concluding paragraphs. The purpose of the final paragraph is basically to bring the essay to a smooth conclusion. As you know, we discussed yesterday the methods of development. Today we will discuss the concluding paragraph, how we can conclude the paragraph. As the name suggests, conclusion means just to sum up the things. So the basic purpose of concluding paragraph is to sum up the things for the reader. Okay, so there are some words by using we can easily summarize what we want to say at the end of the essay. So those words are possible words are accordingly, as a result, as I have shown, consequently, and there are many more words that you can learn from this worksheet as well. Now let's discuss what types of concluding paragraphs may be. Depending upon the theme, the technique that you will use in the concluding paragraph, we can analyze that the concluding paragraphs may have some different forms as well. So you can apply different techniques, a number of which we will discuss, 5 of them. Number 1 is restating the main points. So one of the types of concluding paragraph will restate what you have discussed earlier in the introductory and developmental paragraphs. Now you will use different words than that were used earlier. Second type of concluding paragraph, that is the future suggestion for action. So you can also ask the reader and give him some suggestion for action at the end of your essay as well. So obviously, in a way, you can say that you will relate your essay with the future. ओके कि बेटे पढ़ने वाला जो है वो नेक्स्ट इसको मद्देनज़र रखते हुए, इस स्टडी और इन्फॉर्मेशन को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए वो क्या कर सकता है. नंबर 3, the third form of paragraph, concluding paragraph, may be to ask questions. So अगर आपने बेटे इंट्रोडक्शन के अंदर पहले से क्वेश्चंस कुछ पूछे हैं या नहीं पूछे, इनको हम कंक्लूडिंग सेंटेंस में पूछा जा सकता है. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, क्वेश्चन जो है इसको आप किसी भी मौके पर किसी भी तरह से यूज़ कर सकते हैं. और वन ऑफ द बेस्ट वेज, one of the best places to use question is also at the end of an essay as well. So you can use in concluding paragraphs the question. Number 4 is your personal comment or anecdote. So if you haven't discussed your experience or your personal opinion explicitly in clear words, you can also use it at the end of the paragraphs as well, in the concluding paragraph. So you are supposed to use that at the end of the day. Number 5 is the cyclic return. So obviously you will return to the place where you started. So in all the things that you discussed in the start, in the first paragraph, in the introductory paragraph, you can also recycle them, reword them, and you can put them at the end of the essay. So in this way, you can produce a good effective concluding paragraph at the end of the essay. So just remember these 5 types of techniques, and you are supposed to solve the assignment. That is the assignment. Just look at this page. So here the 5 skills that we used to discuss concluding paragraphs, that has been discussed here. So you are just supposed to name them, what type of technique is being used in this assignment. Okay, so try to complete it as early as possible. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.